Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today content is on the importance of handmade wooden crafts for Christmas decor and tips for selling them, and we will cover key ideas and strategies while maintaining clarity and structure. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspiration. Handmade wooden crafts hold a special place in the hearts of many during the Christmas season. They embody the spirit of creativity, personalization, and tradition that characterizes the holiday. Unlike mass-produced decorations, handmade items offer a unique charm and character that can enhance the festive atmosphere of any home. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the artisan's skills, creativity, and dedication to their craft. This individuality resonates with consumers who seek to create a warm and inviting environment during the holidays. Moreover, wooden crafts are often more sustainable than plastic or synthetic alternatives, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. The use of natural materials promotes a connection to nature, which is particularly valued during a season that emphasizes family gatherings and heartfelt celebrations. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, handmade wooden crafts can serve functional purposes. Items such as wooden ornaments, serving trays, and candle holders not only beautify spaces, but also enhance the overall experience of holiday gatherings. For instance, a beautifully crafted wooden centerpiece can elevate a dining table for Christmas dinner, making it memorable for family and friends. Furthermore, many consumers appreciate the opportunity to personalize their decorations. Customization options, such as engraving names or special dates, allow customers to create meaningful gifts and keepsakes that can be cherished for years to come. This personalization aspect is especially significant during Christmas when gifts carry emotional weight and sentiment. The trend toward handmade items has been growing in recent years as consumers increasingly seek unique products that reflect their personal style. The rise of platforms like Etsy has made it easier for artisans to reach a broader audience, showcasing their work to potential buyers worldwide. As people look for ways to make their holiday celebrations more special, handmade wooden crafts offer an appealing alternative to generic store-bought items. They evoke nostalgia and often remind people of simpler times when decorations were crafted with love and care. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Tips for selling handmade wooden crafts during Christmas. Identify your target market. Understanding your audience is crucial. Are you targeting families looking for decorations? Young couples seeking unique gifts? Or perhaps individuals interested in sustainable living? Tailoring your marketing strategies to meet the preferences of your target demographic will enhance your chances of success. Create unique designs. Stand out by offering unique designs that reflect current trends or timeless classics. Research popular themes for Christmas decor, such as rustic farmhouse styles, minimalist designs, or vintage aesthetics, and incorporate these elements into your work. Experiment with different finishes and color schemes to attract a broader audience. Focus on quality craftsmanship. Ensure that your products are made with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. Customers are willing to pay more for items that are durable and beautifully crafted. Consider using locally sourced wood or eco-friendly finishes to appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Set up an online store. Establish an online presence through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. These platforms are designed for artisans and crafters, making it easier for you to reach potential customers. Ensure that your online store is visually appealing and user-friendly. Utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Share high-quality images of your crafts in festive settings to inspire potential buyers. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Participate in local markets. Join local craft fairs and holiday markets to showcase your products in person. This allows customers to see your items up close, feel their quality, and ask questions directly. Engaging with customers face-to-face can create lasting impressions and foster relationships. Offer customization options. Provide customers with the option to personalize their purchases, whether through custom engravings or unique color choices. Personalized items often carry more sentimental value, making them ideal gifts during the holiday season. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Optimize product listings. When creating product listings online, use clear and descriptive titles along with detailed descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of each item. Include dimensions, materials used, care instructions, and any customization options available. Use high-quality photography. Invest in good photography to showcase your products effectively. Use natural light and appealing backgrounds to create inviting images that capture the essence of your crafts. Lifestyle shots, showing items in use, can help customers envision how they might fit into their own homes. Engage with your customers. Build relationships with your customers by responding promptly to inquiries and engaging with them on social media. Share behind-the-scenes content about your crafting process or stories about what inspires your designs. This personal connection can foster loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Run promotions and discounts. Consider offering holiday promotions or bundle deals to entice customers during the festive season. Limited-time offers create urgency and encourage shoppers to make decisions more quickly. Gather reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on your website or social media pages. Positive feedback serves as social proof, helping to build trust with potential buyers who may be hesitant about purchasing from a new seller. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure that you have clear policies regarding shipping, returns, and customer service inquiries. Timely communication and efficient order fulfillment are key components of providing excellent customer service, especially during the busy holiday season. Stay organized. Keep track of inventory levels, orders, and customer information using spreadsheets or inventory management software. Staying organized will help you manage your business more effectively and ensure that you can meet customer demand during peak shopping times. Handmade wooden crafts play an essential role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere during the Christmas season. Their uniqueness, quality craftsmanship, and potential for personalization make them highly sought after by consumers looking for meaningful decorations and gifts. By employing effective selling strategies, such as understanding your target market, optimizing product listings, utilizing social media, engaging with customers, and providing excellent service, you can successfully market your handmade wooden crafts during the holiday season. While this video provides key points on the importance of handmade wooden crafts for Christmas decor and tips for selling them, it can be expanded further into detailed sections if desired. If you would like more detailed information on any specific section or additional topics related to selling handmade crafts, feel free to ask. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.